Hello, you amazing ladies! Well, this video is about women, but I'm pretty sure guys make these mistakes too. If you're a guy and you're watching this video, comment below. As you know by the title, in this video, I'll be talking about 7 biggest shopping mistakes that women make. Ladies, I have been guilty of making all of these mistakes myself in my 20s. So I hope at the end of this video, you guys will get some insight to these involuntary mistakes that we are completely unaware of we make, and you can work towards fixing them yourself and building your dream wardrobe. Comment below if you have done this. I sure have done this in most of my 20s. The pressure of always wearing something new for any occasion because we want to impress everyone else leads to so many rash shopping decisions. We end up buying something just for that occasion because we have that tunnel vision going on and we only are thinking about that occasion, so we really don't think about how else we're going to wear that piece or that dress or those pants or those really fancy top. And what happens is that after we are done with that event, it just sits in our closet collecting dust. Because most of the time, that's probably not something that we will wear every day, or probably to another occasion where we don't want to repeat our clothes, and we actually end up wasting so much money. Rather than thinking of something new for every occasion, why not mix and match our existing pieces to create something new and something unique? I'm pretty sure most of us will find something amazing in our closets that we can mix and match and create our own signature style. Compared to buying something just out of the shelf, your wallet and your closet will thank you for it. I have to be honest, I still fight the urge to shop something new for every trip. I'm not saying not to do that, but shopping all of your outfits for your vacation is not really a good idea. Because again, you have this tunnel vision because you're only thinking about outfits that you will be wearing in your vacation rather than thinking of how you will repurpose those outfits after you're done with your vacation. And if this is your pattern, you might not repeat them in your next trip. Now, more importantly, when you're on a trip, you actually end up repeating a lot of pieces in your bag because you tend to go for more comfortable pieces that you're more comfortable with so that you can actually enjoy your vacation. Then why waste money on that new pair of shoes that are going to give you blisters? The key is to actually find pieces that you can again mix and match and wear on your vacation, and more importantly, leave room in your luggage so you can actually do some awesome shopping on the location. You will actually find the best pieces over there in that particular location which are perfect for that destination. Isn't it a lot smarter? It's the feeling when you see something really cute and you think it's gonna look really cute on you. And of course, it'll look cute on you, but that doesn't mean that it goes with your style all the time. Even if it looks cute and it's nice, it is a good quality piece, and everything else is working for me to buy that item, it might not actually go with my particular style. And I might never go for that piece again because either it stands out a lot, which I don't like, or I'm really not comfortable wearing it. 2 of the most important factors that stops us from ever wearing that one item again. I have done that, ladies. I will buy that really cute dress and I would probably wear it once and then never wear it again because either I never find an occasion for it or it's just not appropriate enough for any occasion that I go to. And later on down the line, I feel so guilty for wasting so much money on it. Now, if you see something like that on a store, if you're going to a retail store, it's a good idea to stop yourself for a second and think about how many ways that you can wear that piece, or what other items in your closet will actually blend with or complement that piece that you're going to buy. If you can't find more than 3 pieces, then you probably should not buy that item. And think about all of the occasions where you're actually going to be able to wear that item. too. And the same applies to all of your online shopping. And this actually brings me to my next biggest shopping mistake. How often do we think a good discount is a good deal? I used to always shop discounts because I thought if it's on a discount, it's a good deal. If you're already relating to these mistakes, click that like button and comment below sharing your latest discount shopping and which was that one item that you bought just because it was on discount. Now, when doing discount shopping, there is an important thing we always forget, that most of these items that are discounted are phased out products, probably poor quality products, or products that actually don't have the correct sizes that we actually need. Of course, there's always exceptions to that, but the important factor to note here is when you are actually doing discount shopping, go for more timeless classic pieces or more basics that you will actually wear it right away instead of keeping them and actually forgetting about them when the next season comes in. Trust me, this way you will actually enjoy your discount shopping and actually feel more productive and more achieved that you actually saved some money instead of wasting your money that you have earned right now on things that you don't even or can't even wear right now. Now, I'm not really talking about the literal size small itself, but the thought that if I am buying a certain size in a certain brand, that is my size. And then I go and end up buying the same size from other brands as well, but they actually don't fit me that well. Trust me, I used to do this a lot till I finally realized, why the hell am I even doing this? No one is actually going to see the size that I'm wearing, but they do notice the bad fit, don't they? The fit of the clothes are the biggest factor and makes the biggest difference in our overall style. And that's what matters. Every brand has a different size chart. I have an entire video where I talk about how you can shop online like a pro, where I discuss this concept where you can actually compare different brand size charts and do a better shopping online, which I will link above for you guys to check out. Raise your hand if you still feel like this. You can also comment below and let me know because I cannot see you raising your hand over there. This sounds insane, but no one is actually telling you to wear the same outfit every single day for the next 7 days. But come on, no one actually also cares if you repeat your clothes. You can totally mix and match your pieces with different outfits or different pieces in your closet to create something different every time. And honestly, repeating your outfits is what actually creates your own signature style and makes you stand out and look different from everybody else. And that is what a true personal style is all about. Now, if you're interested, I have a whole series where I talk about how you can style dresses differently, you can style jeans and sweaters differently, jeans and t-shirts differently. I will link all of those videos down below in the description box for you guys to check out. Now, I'm not talking about being the fairest of them all. I sure don't care about that at all. But I'm actually talking about the peer pressure of acquiring something more because someone else also has it. This is especially getting worse in this era of social media in all aspects of our lives, but it's even worse in the fashion industry. We see that someone who has a new handbag or a dress or a particular item and we instantly want to go and buy that because we want to prove the status quo. As women, I feel like we feel this the most. I think maybe this is because the way we have been brought up to constantly compare ourselves with somebody else and constantly having to prove ourselves to be better than somebody else. Now, this leads to a lot of mindless shopping, and I'm not just talking about fashion related stuff. It actually goes beyond that to regular stuff in our households as well. I just find that so unnecessary and so irrelevant. If I don't need a Cartier bracelet, for example, then why do I need to buy it just because somebody else has it? All of us have different lifestyles, have different needs, and we should actually shop for that instead of trying to prove ourselves socially. Now, this is actually especially for you 20-somethings out there who are watching this video to actually fix it right now before you regret it in your 30s like a lot of us do. Now, I'm pretty sure I'm probably forgetting some shopping mistakes for sure. If you can think of them, please comment below and let us all know, share, and help us all fix them. Now, as always, if you like this video, please click the like button so I can continue making videos like these ones in future, and click that subscribe button and the bell icon so you'd never miss a video like these ones. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!